Right, this is a big heavy one. Pride of ownership stand. I think we'll begin with the Mercedes. So we have a 280 SL. Look at that. Beautiful. Mercedes 220 1965. Next to a stunning MR2. The equally stunning MX5. Glen Eagles edition, no less. Gorgeous colour. Love the tan interior. Oh, look at that though. A proud owner that shows the underside of a car. I'm on my knees for this one, everyone. Hope you appreciate it. Look at that. So MGB LE Roadster. Not dissimilar. It's an A series engine. It's pretty much what Millie's got in the Metro. What a car though. Toyota Paseo, you don't see any of those on the road. That was very rare when they were launched. They never took on, even though it's obviously Toyota's version of a coupe. This one is in splendid nick. Another one that's gone all out on the mirrors. I think you can see why. Look at that. Stainless exhaust as well by the looks of it. Good old stop lock. Just press steel wheels and it doesn't need anything more than that, does it? Very nice. So it's a Capri Cabaret. And it looks like it has a bit of a story there. Wow. Just take a moment to look at that, everyone. I spoke to the owner of the Capri for around 10-15 minutes. Horrendous story. That horn's going to go off again. It's an horrendous story. Drink driver, 2 times over the limit and texting on his phone and over 100 miles an hour. They all walked away, which was the most important thing, but still an horrendous story. But the car is rebuilt and everyone lives to fight another day. Just spoke to the owner of this splendid 190e Cosworth. Just how gorgeous is this? And look at the colour. Again, the owner was explaining how it didn't look like this when he purchased it, but look at the satisfaction that you get now that it looks like that. Awesome. 944. Everything looks nice at the show with the lights. Yeah, I've never heard that type of horn before. Good old Saints Volvo P1800S. Splendid. Next to a suitably coloured, because it's a Puma Racing basically, Ford Puma Racing, or Ford Racing Puma even. Gorgeous 525. With wheel covers, look. Wheel covers can look good. I personally think Resto wheels can look good. What a beautiful car. Austin of England. So an A90 Atlantic convertible. Wow, that's all I'm going to say for that one. Mark 1 Golf GTI. If ever there was a car that set a trend, there's your hot hatch just there. Next to a splendid Mark II Escort Sport. and the Mini Cooper. If there's a mirror, we've got to look at the mirror. Now, I spoke to the owner of this one yesterday. Lovely HLE Metro. And like all owners, Neil was very critical about, he knows what little tiny bits are either incorrect for the car or just not exactly perfect, but look at it. It's absolutely gorgeous. So being a HLE, it had the spoiler, the same spoiler but unpainted that Millie's got on the MG Metro, of course. And the fourth gear was slightly different, so on the gear lever it's actually got a 1, 2, 3 and then a green E. I think it was a longer gear. I guess obviously a longer gear, but what a car. Next to another Golf GTI. And a splendid Audi Quattro. Which one on this stand would be the winner for you, folks? Leave it in the comments below. Put pride of ownership. And the winner for you. Lovely 3-litre Capri here. And look at that light cream interior as well. Look at that.